Hello, I am going to make a muffin that I have never made before. It was my friend Bill's, and I'm going to post it when, I hope I do this right. I have the recipe on my iPad. I have something I never worked with before. I just thought this recipe looked so intriguing. It was a bran muffin. They're made with golden raisins, molasses, cranberry sauce. That's what I had intriguing because I had about 3/4 of a cup left. Another item I've never used is wheat bran. So if your wheat is not your thing, then this is not going to be your recipe. They call it a wheat bran muffin because of this. Now this little bag was like $5, and I took a cup out. I went to the Mohawk Harvest and they didn't have wheat bran. So I bought everything else there. I bought golden raisins, I bought a lot of stuff. But let me do the recipe and see how we do. So he says start out with the wet ingredients. So in this is 2 eggs. The whole reason I'm making them, honestly, is I had extra cranberry sauce and I had buttermilk. So I said, well, this calls for both. So I try this when I find a recipe, 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of cranberry sauce, which is what I had in here. He said to mix the wet ingredients first. 1 cup, this is a 1 cup holder. When I buy buttermilk, sometimes I can't use it all up. So I freeze them in the 1 cup containers. Hopefully I can get this open without wearing it. Yep, 1 cup, this is exactly 1 cup. So I'm putting that right in. I should have got a garbage bowl out. Let me see if I can mix this in. And whole cranberry sauce is what it called for. The other wet ingredients is a 1/2 cup of molasses. So I'm going to show you a trick and hope it works. This is my 1/2 cup measuring cup. I'm going to spray it with some spray. The molasses should go in and not stick when I pour it, but it might stick because I said that, so we'll see. A 1/2 cup seems like a lot, but I love molasses. I mean, do you? Let's see, where's my spatula? You guys, it works. It does. So you spray and you don't have the big sticky mess. I'm going to use that spatula, so I'm going to keep it nearby. Let's try to get, that's the wet. I think that's all the wet. 2 eggs. It didn't say whether to do it in a hand mixer or mix it by hand, so I am actually doing it by hand. I think I'm using Texas size muffins. That's what he said he did. Next, it was called for that wheat bran. Again, Bob Mills wheat bran. I tried to find organic. I tried to find anything that would work. That looks wet. And he said to toast it. So if Bill says it, or he toasts it. I also have a 1/4 cup of toasted walnuts in with the wheat bran. He said to mix this in and let it bloom. So I'm assuming we're gonna moisten our nuts again. Bill, I'm sorry if I wreck your recipe. We're gonna try. I'm trying my hardest here. I think it's gonna be delicious. So letting it bloom, I'm guessing just moisten all the nuts and the wheat bran. And then let me clean up a little bit. This is gonna be scrumptious. Now, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. No, yes, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. And since he shared the recipe, he said it's a shareable recipe, so I'm sharing it with you. There it is. This is my 1 cupper. I'm trying to keep the recipe up. And then it's got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is 1 cup of whole wheat flour. And then I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. And I'm gonna show you at the end when these muffins are done, what they come out like. Oh no, my recipe's going away. And then I think it's a 1/2 cup of raisins. Where's my little 1/2 cupper? Hello. Okay, so I put it in the whole wheat. How's your day going? It's 89 degrees here and I'm baking. Lori's a fruitcake with my raisins. I'm gonna call this a 1/2 cup because I'm not gonna put that molasses filled, wheat bran filled 1/2 cup in here. And then a teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda. And I'm going to change tools as soon as I get my nuts out. Hopefully I'm doing this right, Bill. I think they're going to be delicious. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Do you guys like to bake? I like to eat it, so I figured everything in here is healthy. We're gonna have it. I just never heard of a muffin. I thought it was, when I first looked at it, I thought it was gonna be blueberries. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. I'm not whisking. I don't think that it said to whisk. Did it say 1 teaspoon of soda? Yep, 1 teaspoon. Now, let's make sure I read everything. 1 cup of wheat bran toasted for a few minutes. Lori did that. 1½ cups of whole wheat flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 cup of toasted walnuts. I toasted them with my wheat bran. 1/2 cup of golden raisins. 3/4 cup of cranberry sauce, whole cranberry sauce. 1/2 cup of molasses, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of buttermilk. So far, so good. I've got it all. What I didn't bring out, and I probably should have, is my scooper. If I use an ice cream scoop, it'll be easy to put it into this. So as you can see, I've made a mess of everything in front of me, but I am mixing a delicious looking muffin mix. And then it said for 450, 15 to 20 minutes. He made large Texas style muffins in paper. I don't have paper that fits these, so mine will not have paper. The batter looks delicious. I'm going to get an ice cream scoop. 1 minute. I just think this will be my best choice. Probably 2 scoops per cup is what we'll start with. I'm also going to spray my scoop. That helps. So Bill, I'm going to post this video. Let me make sure I have it mixed really well. 450, 15 to 20 minutes. That's the muffin, and I'm going to hope for the best, because I think, like I said, Wally and Bill, Wally used to own Jerry Lynn's restaurant that I worked at, and the food is always delicious when they cook it, so I'm going to trust them. Let's start with 1 in each. These are going to make a big muffin. They're going to make a good muffin. It's Friday. I always do extra stuff on Friday. You know I meal prep on Sunday mostly for during the week, but I also prep stuff. I got another watermelon to cut up. Now I'm going to go back around with a 2nd scoop in each muffin and see how we do. Wow, are they going to be good. I think 2 around is going to do it. When the weekends, tomorrow is supposed to be beautiful here. The lake is beautiful. The water's finally beautiful. So I think I'm going to have enough for 2 scoops in every single one. That's what this, he's right. So it's 2, 4, 6 big ones. So it must have made 12. I'm not going to waste any batter. It must have made 12 little ones. You can see that this is delicious. Now I'm going to do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight, because I want them flat. They're going in. I'll keep you posted. So while those muffins are cooking, I'm doing some other things. I just did the dishes and cleaned up the mess that I made here. But let's talk about these berries. It's berry season, so you won't have to do this much. Well, you do, but I don't buy organic. I know that I should. I know they're in the top whatever lists of pesticides. But what I do is I have my doodad here, this thing that I told you I love. And I do, it's a colander into a bowl, and I do vinegar and water. And I'll do it more than once. I'll do it twice. So I buy regular strawberries, regular blueberries, and I do, this is the 2nd wash with vinegar and water. I don't measure. I took cold water to cover the berries and a good amount of vinegar, and I do it again. And then I take the colander out, and I just want to know, I know that organic is what we should buy. If you can afford organic for everything, good. I wish I could. Our budget does not. So this is the best way to wash berries that are not organic. If you know, you know. So if you didn't know, I'm hoping to help you. Now I'm going to pause you because they're still cooking, and I'll be back. You guys, I have beautiful, beautiful muffins. They are completely done. I don't know if you can see them good. They're too hot to work with, but I wanted you to see Bill, and I hope that I made these, I did you justice. I'm going to have one with my coffee between my lunch and my dinner today. Yummy! I'll post the recipe with the, Bill already approved it. So have a great day, and I love you guys.